This is the final project for ECE 362, a microcontrollers class. This project was built by Nathan Wheeler and I, Christopher Glick. We did all the coding in assembly inside Freescale's CodeWarrior IDE. Our assembly does run inside a C framework, but let me go ahead. We are at about 16,000 K of code. It's a pretty massive project. But let me go ahead and run this guy and show you a little bit about what it does. First thing you'll see here is we have a little splash screen for the house automation system. That's what we were to design. We go ahead and enter a password. If we put in an incorrect password, we're going to get a message. Our default password is a nice simple all zeros. Inside the main menu here, I can change the password. I'm going to enter my old one, and I'll put in a new one. Let's put all sevens. I can set the time on my clock and pick some time. I don't know, maybe it's say 4:53 p.m. on a Monday. The F in this case is going to back us up. Let's put the Monday back, and that should lock us in. I can go ahead and start making some... Oh, before I do that, let's check the doorbell. The push button here is our supposed doorbell. It plays a lovely tune and gives us a little message. I can go ahead and start checking the different rooms. We have 8 rooms in the home. If I choose room 6, the 6th light from the left lights up. I can navigate among these choices by twisting the potentiometer to see different settings. I can set, let's take the timer. I can say when the light should come on for each room. We have error detection in place, so if you put in a bogus time like 42 hours, it's not going to work. So let's say the lights are supposed to come on at 11:04 a.m. Sunday. That sounds good. I can lock it in this menu with the F. Now I'll set the lights as to which lights should come on, and I do it with the switches. So maybe I want that light, and turn this one back on. Doesn't come on for some reason. And maybe I want those 2 lights on. Now we've come into the splash screen. If we're inactive, you can see the time that I punched in earlier is locked in. It's going to cycle through the rooms. You'll see that every room is currently preset to 72 degrees. To come back into the main menu, oops, I forgot that we changed it to all 7s. Let's go check out a room. Let's go take a look at room 5. The 5th one's lit up. We've already done the lights in a different room. I can set an alarm in a room. Let's go ahead and turn the alarm on here. Let me go check a different room. Let's turn on the alarm in room 4 too, because this is necessary for one of the other functions of this. Now that we're in room 4, let's go set the temperature. I can, in B, set a temperature to come on at a particular time. Maybe we want it to come on at 6:22 a.m. on Thursday. And maybe we want the room we have a range of 50 to 89 degrees. Maybe we want a hot Thursday. I don't know why, but maybe that's what we want, and I can lock in the 82. I can also, now that I'm in this room, in room 4, go ahead and set a temperature right now. Our default temperature is 72. If I set the temperature to say 53, if I throw my switches here, the stepper motor has 5 speeds. The farther the motor is, the farther the temperature is from the ideal temperature, the faster it moves. So as it approaches the desired temperature, this guy is going to slow down. It spins clockwise for air conditioning and counterclockwise to heat. The DC motor, which you can see whirling away here, although it's a little bit tough at this angle, has 2 speeds. They're triggered by the leftmost switch. If I throw it down to low, it's going to slow down gradually. And if I flip it back, it will speed up gradually. We're in room 4, if I recall, and so next time this guy rolls around, you should see that the temperature has begun coming down some. And there we are. We're already at 66. And it didn't change while we were watching. Those are pretty much most of the functions, more or less, that we have on this system. Let me show you just a few more things. We have a secret message with another lovely tune. And I set 2 alarms earlier in different rooms. Now I can trip the alarms. Well, I should be able to. Oh, we're not getting cooperation here. Let me try that again. Let's make sure we got an alarm set. Now, for some mysterious reason, what worked before isn't working now. But there we go. I guess we have a bad button. If I enter the password in time, I can close that alarm. Let's see if I can get this guy to fail again. Well, that's pretty annoying. Make sure we have something set. This alarm only works if we have this function only works if we have rooms with alarms. And if this counts down, I don't enter the correct password in time, it will lock me out of the system. Along with an alert saying that, hey, you're going to jail. And the way to get back into the system is to reset everything, and we get the splash screen again. It was an outstanding project, a lot of work, but we had a great time doing it. Thanks for watching.